Hey guys, Mario Kart Gamer here. Today we're hooking up air horn ranks.
Whoa! Yo! Fuck! Oh my god!
Yeah. They're like that too. Still. Help. So they want to try doing no one. I said no, thank you. So that the other surgeon's not going to help him either. But he said it's the early stage of carpal tunnel. Yeah.
We'll bring that through next. Very good. Stop it, Woody! As a hat trick! Funny.
Probably put something in wrong or something.
Which chord? Is it this one?
Yes, sir. Thank I'm taking him straight.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, man.
Oh, I'm so sorry, man. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, hey?
Come on! Why?
I won't.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, hey?
Come on! Why?
He had the guy psoriasis, so he continues still psoriasis.
We'll bring that through next.
Very good.
Stop it, Woody! As a hat trick! Funny.
Get off of yourself! Get off your phone! No texting and driving! Get off your phone!
And she's like, this child already been to this hospital. Beating this child with an antibiotic.
Whoa!
Wow. But she's still throwing. She said he's still throwing up or whatever. Back and they'll go deeper and trying to find what's causing him to still throwing up. He was 4 months. So I know everything about gastritis, and that should already been gone. They don't last that long. We don't have
All right.
They're not calling me nothing. So they got a ultrasound or something. Something's going wrong. Because as soon as I get him back.
Do another. Let's do another.
That came back negative. Got on that at least. No, they checked it. They checked him for flu, COVID. And it came back negative.
Cover your ears.